Hey there, it's Brian. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of Kingston's conversational teach lathes, the CJ model. The CJ is an ideal solution for those of you doing a lot of one-offs or small batches, or for folks transitioning from manual to CNC. It's compact, it's easy to program, it's easy to load, it's fully enclosed, it's a great value, and it looks good too. This particular model is the CJ22120 with 22 inches of swing over the ways and 120 inches between centers. The gearbox has 3 speed ranges. The CJ22 gets up to 2400 RPMs. And it ships with a 3 1/8 inch spindle bore with a D18 nose. Larger spindle bores are available on other CJ models. Now watch me pivot. The standard CJ model comes with just a tool block here, which some folks prefer, mounting an Aluris quick change tool post or even a grinder there. This one we added a V8 turret, but you can also get a horizontal 4-station turret or even a V12 live tooling turret. But that's a whole other video. The chip pans. They pull up from the front here, which is convenient if you're in tight spaces. Now let's talk about the Kingston app. The CJ model ships with the conversational Kingston app, which rides on the Fanuc Zero ITF Plus control, of course. You'll notice the 2 hand wheels for easy positioning, along with the MPG here. Now, if you know Fanuc and you program with G-code, you can do that all here. And Manual Guide I is still accessible here. But the third and most convenient option is the Kingston app. The CJ model is a terrific little flatbed CNC lathe with a conversational interface. If you have any questions or comments, find your local Kingston dealer or reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool. Once again, I'm Brian. So long, and stay awesome.